This is Sylvester, and he's enjoying a bacon burrito from Raymundo's Taco Shop with everything on it. Such a good burrito. It satisfied me and him all day long. It's got potatoes in there and egg and bacon and cheese and salsa fresca and the flour tortilla. I put some green sauce on there. So good. Yummy. And there's even a little bit more left. It's so satisfying. Woohoo! What a good looking animal. What a good looking animal. See ya. Oh yeah. What do you think? What are you thinking? You want some food? I can find you some food if you want. Okay, doggy, smoky. Acky, dacky, smack, smack.